I understand English but can't speak English fluently. Oh, that's matter of concern. No, my friend, you should not worry. You can speak this language because I'm going to give you some tips. If you follow, then you can speak this language fluently and effortlessly. My friend, first of all, it's a language and it takes time. You need to know many a thing before you start learning this language. First of all, have patience and know the reality of learning any language, and especially English language. It takes a lot of time. So, hello friend. Before I start sharing with you something, I want you to take closer look of this area. Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful or not? You might be thinking it's not that much beautiful, right? But my friend, for me, it's really very beautiful. Whenever I come here, I feel good, energized. I feel so good. I cannot explain in word also. And there is one thing also, you might be thinking, she always try to show her field, garden. What's new? Let me tell you, my friend, if you pay closer attention on nature, you will find something new. For that reason, I try to show you people. So, few days back, I created one video from this place. At the time, you may have noticed there was no greenery and all, right? But as you can see, little bit greenery is there because the crop has already started growing, wheat crop. Okay, my friends, I got a lot of messages. I think they were beginner. They were asking to me, I understand English but I cannot speak English. I have created many video on this topic, but still they were asking some guidance. Still they were saying that make video on this topic. We can understand but we cannot speak, and how we can speak this language fluently. So I'm going to share with you so many things. First of all, if you can understand English and cannot speak English, no problem, my friend. Don't worry. You can do it. But for that reason, you need to do practice. Yes, you heard me right. If you have watched my previous video, I told in that video that if you want to learn swimming or if you want to learn cycling, anything, you just have to start. You just have to practice. Then you can learn something, right? You cannot read about swimming sitting at the bank of the river and just think, okay, this is the way I'm going to swim. No, you have to go and then try. Then you can learn. Same way, if you keep listening, keep talking to people that I want to learn English language, or keep reading books and all, but you are not trying to speak with someone, you cannot become a fluent English speaker. Yeah, that's clear. So if you want to become a fluent English speaker, you need to practice. Practice is key to speak this language. See, I'm speaking this language. How did I learn this language? By talking to people. Don't care whether you are perfect or not. Or I always tell this thing, don't wait for perfection. Start. My friend, you may have watched people, those who want to learn swimming, they just go and start practicing first day, second day, and if they practice 1 week or 1 month, they learn swimming. Same thing, if you want to learn this language, you need to practice, and you may not learn in 1 week or in 1 month, but you will definitely learn in few months how to speak this language. So this is the matter, and I would say that you are lucky that you are able to understand. Yes, there are a lot of people, they don't even understand. Even at my home also, family member, they don't understand English. Whenever I speak or when they watch my video, when they listen or when they watch any movie, most of them, they don't understand if someone is speaking in English language. Why? Because they didn't practice. They didn't try. But how could I speak this language? Because I started practicing, right? In your case also, if you want to learn this language, start practicing. If you ask to me, did I start understanding since from my beginning day? No, my friends, I wasn't able to understand also. Okay, In your case, you are understanding. That's so good. Really, you are lucky that you are able to understand this language. This is foreign language, right? So, if you are able to understand, you should be happy and try for the speaking. Once you try for speaking, you will start speaking, but yeah, it will take time. So, these all things I did to speak this language. And if you want to become very fluent, then my friend, it takes time. Many of you may get impatient, you know. They say that, oh, when will I get fluency? When will I get fluency? I make a lot of mistakes. I don't speak perfect English. I don't speak perfectly. What should I do? How can I become pro level speaker? My friend, if you want to become pro level speaker, it needs time. It needs a lot of practice plus time also. Okay? So be ready to give your time and your effort. Then you can speak this language. You can speak at the pro level. So this is the thing. See, if you ask to me, I don't even speak advanced English. I have to work on my English, and I have been working. But it is taking time. I have been practicing for a long time. Still, I am unable to speak this language fluently. I mean, very fluently. What's my level? Do you have any idea? I think I speak intermediate level English. And I think below intermediate, maybe. Or somewhere or the other, I consider myself that I am in intermediate level, you know. So for getting an advanced level, I need to work hard. I need to practice, and I need to give sufficient time, effort. Then I can become pro level speaker. I can become an advanced speaker, right? So see, you have been learning, and I have been also learning. But we started our journey. I started little earlier. I think you started maybe few months back. That is why you may be a beginner or an intermediate level, right? So it happens. We should not compare with others. But yeah, if you want to become fluent English speaker, I told you that you need to give a lot of effort, plus it takes a lot of time. As you can see, people, they are doing irrigation. Do you know what does it mean, irrigation? It means, we say sichai. They are watering their field, but watering, it's not the correct. I would say irrigation is correct word for saying. We say that sichai. So they are doing irrigation related work. I mean, our crop, it needs a lot of water, not a lot, but yeah, it needs water, then it will grow. So a lot of farmer, they are doing this work. This side, they are using pumping set to complete this work. So let's summarize the thing. If you want to speak this language fluently, it takes time. And if you understand English but can't speak, so start speaking. Don't worry about your mistakes and all. Mistakes are common. We all make mistakes. Okay, so this is the thing. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.